Hey there, crypto enthusiasts. Welcome back to another exciting tutorial. Today, we're diving into how to send USDC from Trust Wallet to Arculus Wallet in 2025. If you're looking to move your USDC securely and efficiently, you're in the right place. This process is straightforward, but always double-check everything to avoid any hiccups. Let's get started. First things first, make sure you have both Trust Wallet and Arculus Wallet apps installed on your device and that they're updated to the latest versions for 2025 compatibility. USDC is a stablecoin, so it's perfect for transfers, but remember, it's typically on the Ethereum network or another compatible blockchain. Step 1. Open your Trust Wallet app and navigate to the USDC token in your wallet. You'll see a list of your assets. Tap on USDC to select it. Now, look for the Send button and tap it to start the transfer process. Step 2. You'll need the recipient's address from your Arculus wallet. Open the Arculus app, go to your USDC wallet, and copy the wallet address. It's crucial to get this right. Paste it carefully into the Trust Wallet send screen to avoid sending funds to the wrong place. Step 3. Enter the amount of USDC you want to send. Double-check that you have enough funds and consider any network fees. Once you're set, review the details and hit Confirm to initiate the transaction. You'll be prompted to approve it with your wallet's security features, like biometrics or a PIN. After you confirm, the transaction will be broadcast to the blockchain. This might take a minute or two, depending on network congestion in 2025. Keep an eye on your Arculus wallet to see when the USDC arrives. One quick tip. Always verify the network. Make sure both wallets are on the same one, like Ethereum, to prevent errors. If you're new to this, practice with a small amount first. And there you have it. You've successfully transferred USDC from Trust Wallet to Arculus Wallet. If you found this helpful, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe for more crypto tips, and drop a comment below if you have questions. Stay safe out there in the crypto world. See you next time.